Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm so glad you came back. If it is your first time here, welcome. We learn about hair, we have fun, we do things, okay? So today is part 3 of my braids care series. I'm just going to show you guys some really simple low manipulation hairstyles that I do, you know, day to day. I don't do too much. You guys know it's all about, for me at least, it's all about just like low tension and just simple stuff. I don't do the most with this. So yeah, before we get into that though, I would really appreciate it if you click the subscribe button down there. It really helps me out. Thank you in advance. Also, if you would like to know every single time I post a new video, click the notification bell. And now let's just dive right in. Okay, so this is my first style, just leaving my hair down. I mean, it's low manipulation, it's cute, and why not? You have braids, right? Might as well wear them down and whip. Okay, so the second style, you'll just need a scrunchie or a puff holder. My edges, as you can see, are not in the best state, so that's why low manipulation is such a big thing for me, a big theme in my hair care, whether it's in braids or whatever. So you're going to see really simple styles. This style you have probably even done yourself. So yeah, I just get a section from either side of my head and make a very loose puff back there. The end. That's the look. It's one of those simple styles I just really like, and yeah, it takes a short time and it's cute and low manipulation. Anyway, so let's go to style 3, which is slightly more zhuzhed, you know, slightly not the everyday thing. So you take a section from one side of your head and sort of do a loose flat twist. You really do want it to be loose because it makes it also bigger, but besides that, yeah, we just want something that will not apply too much tension. The longer your braids, the longer this twisting takes, obviously. Such is the price we have to pay. So then we go to the opposite side of the head and do the same thing, but with sort of a smaller section. Yeah, then just twist all the way down. And guys, I hope that you understand why I'm really going for these simple things. I really don't believe in sweeping your hair into a super tight bun when it's in braids, especially if you have delicate edges or other areas. It's just not a plan. It's not, friends. So anyway, then we take that one side, okay, and just take it underneath the braids at the back and then pin it to the opposite side of your head. Now we are going to use bobby pins, which are it's one of those things that are necessary, but you also need to be careful with them because they can snag your hair, and they can also be uncomfortable when you don't place them badly. So just take a second to like put the thing nicely and make sure that it's comfortable, but also it's not snagging your hair. So we do the same thing for the opposite side of the head and just pin. Try to use only 2 bobby pins for this. The less bobby pins you have to use, the better. Then you can just tuck in like that, and then that's the look, guys. I know it's super simple. I don't know, I'm just one of those people, honestly. Yeah, so I'll just walk out like that, guys. Is it cute? I don't know, but me, just like it works for me. So yeah, then moving on to look 4, we are going to just start off where we left off from look 3 and turn the remaining section at the back into 2 large twists. And obviously we are keeping them loose, but make sure you twist all the way to the end. It helps the twist hold better. And once you're done with that, we are doing the same thing. We are going to pin to the opposite side of the head. And again, try to use one bobby pin, 1 pin per braid, so you can just minimize just the use of bobby pins. It's one of those things that I generally avoid using too many bobby pins. So I would do that on one side, and then we're going to do that on the other side as well. You'll notice that I don't do too much with, you know, trying to keep it super neat and super, you know, I don't know, I just find that I try to allow my hair to just do what it's doing. You know, even with my natural hair, I'm the same. Like, I don't do too much with, you know, super tight this or super tight that. I don't, maybe it's also because I don't have the strongest edges, so I just try not to play those games with my edges. And yeah, I find that, you know, this kind of loose type things just look very easy breezy, as if you didn't try, but actually you did. So yeah, that's it, guys. Thank you so much for watching. Connect with me on social media. Thank you for coming over,